this is Hima Bindu. I'm done with my physiotherapy recently. I've completed my internship too. I got to know about this program through my lecturer. She has suggested me to come here and attend it. In prior, when I got to know about the program, I was feeling shy. First thing. The second thing, I was not sure about it. But once I've spoken to the organizers, I felt, yeah, maybe I can. If I go to the workshop, I'll open up. I'll know about things. Then I've come. On the first day, yes, definitely I was shy when they were talking about the word vagina for a longer time. But during the process of our workshop, I got to know that it is very common. It is one such thing that it can be spoken out very easily. But we as women are shy. We can come up with that just by getting awareness about it, by knowing what are the difficulties we face. Actually, the difficulties we are facing are really common. It isn't complicated, but we make it complicated just because of our psychology and because of the taboo that we can't talk about it. But I'm really happy to attend the workshop and know about the things. I think getting into the workshop, I got to solve my own problem, which I didn't know I had. So I'm really happy that I've attended the workshop. I'm really thankful to Dr. Sunita and Dr. Dhara ma'am that they have given a very good guidance for us and they have helped us. And for Hitesh sir that he has implemented this. He has given us a platform like this to hates for wow IIPRE for everything they have done for us. I'm really thankful to them that I've got an opportunity to attend it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.